Okay, so I'm going to take these three cars on a test drive. The 2006 Crown Victoria, a 99 F-150 SVT Lightning, and the 3 Mercedes C320. So let's do the 1999 F-150 first.
Bell plus Jim. Belgium. That's Belgium, France, right? All right. Nick, I'm gonna own you. Better make this. Yeah, Belgium.
Since the 2-seater, no back seat. See how many miles it got. 115,788. 789 miles.
We're out here. This is easy. I'm free and own Nico.
Okay. Dead battery. Alright. Battery hooked up. Let's see what happens.
Zoo plus foot. Wait, no, that's putting at the big toe. Zoo plus big toe plus. Zoo plus big toe plus.
Alright. Let's try it.
And it's moving. Already got this question right. Hit the like button. You think I'm an idiot? Hit the like button. It's
Alright, let's get some gas.
There we go. I gotta keep score. Russell's keep.
And we'll take the 2003 C320 on a test drive. This one doesn't need gas. I already got some gas earlier today. So. This one's coming with the trunk release. Not in the 2002, they didn't do that. But now in 2003, they did. Sitting on the key.
You seem to be missing something. This represents discipline. And this represents strength.
Right away.
That's why right field. This is gonna win. Let's just see how far it goes. And it is called. It's a grand slam home run.
It's got 118,555 miles.
And it's a 7-3 final in extra innings.
Alright, let's get back. Just wanted to stop by at my friend's house. It took me about 10 minutes, so let's go back.
still got the Raider game on.
Something to feed his cow with. It's a little plant in his garden. At the same time, you're allowed to buy just one thing. What are you going to buy?
An extra $1. Let's do the 2006 Crown Victoria now.
You can go and buy a watermelon. You can eat it, you can drink it, you can feed the cow with the rinds, and as for the watermelon seeds, you can easily plant them in the garden. The egg has to fall 100 feet.
Oh,
Eric,
crap.
was having lunch at a cafe.
You watching Meat Chicken? Where'd you get an icy at? Oh, jeez. Meat Chicken got Meat Chicken. I need a case, by the way. This phone is very slippery. I'm gonna look for one.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna drive it because the batteries don't. Has 109,872 miles, and I don't think I'm going to be driving it because of
What's that?
I can't drive it because of the alternator.
Score. Here we go.
Bup, bup.
You gotta start. I'm in the ball.